I have an in-ground pool. It gets iron stains. My pool holds 55,000 gallons of water. When we bought our house, it was bad. We bought a product that worked great, but it's no longer on the market. What should I use to remove iron stains and iron from my water?
In order to use this to get rid of the stains, I would recommend like an ascorbic acid. Natural Chemistry has a product called Stain Free. So you'd probably want to use a few pounds of that to remove the stains. If your stains are pretty broad throughout the pool, you'll want to kind of broadcast it around the pool and let the system. If it can sit on the stains, great. Otherwise, just excuse me, just kind of circulate it through the system for a couple days. Let it do its thing with the stains. But the thing to remember is once you remove the iron stains, you're just putting the iron back into solution. It's still in the water. So like what we typically recommend is, especially if you have a sand filter, is Ferri-Iron Tabs, which do a great job of taking those iron particles and trapping them in the filter to then backwash it out of the system. The other thing to know though, as far as using like a vitamin C product, like I recommended with Stain Free, is that it's also a natural chlorine neutralizer. So if your chlorine's high to begin with, that vitamin C is going to be used up to eat up the chlorine, so it might not have as much effect on the stains. So either let your chlorine plummet to zero, or use enough Stain Free that it excuse me, neutralizes all of your chlorine, and then some to attack the stains. So just something to keep in mind.